Here's a little scuff area right here on this side of the fender. I put some cleaner on this side over here to try to clean it up. Before I get started, I'll probably get some wax cleaner to clean up the area right up in this area before I get started, and try to get it taken off right here and repaint it in this area right here. Okay, here I am. I'm about to get started. I got my cleaner right here. Here are my instructions. Here's my bottled water right here. My microfiber cleaning towels. My Goo Gone. My window cleaner. I got my grit paper right here. I got 220 and 600 grit paper. Here's some more towels. I have my drop cloths right here. Here's my cut cloth. Over here I got my wax and tire remover, and I got my primer right here. Okay, if you ever wonder where you can get the type of paint for your vehicle, it's right here on the side of the door panel right here of your vehicle. Sometimes it's in the glove compartment, but mine is right there. It says LA. That is the kind of paint that I have for my car. And this is where you will find it. All vehicles are different, but that's where mine is right there. Okay, I've read my instructions, and it's telling me to wait until, well, it's got to be at least 50 degrees outside in order to paint. It is kind of windy out here today, but I'm going to go ahead and chance it. And I can, here's what the instructions say right here, between 50 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to go ahead and put down my primer, then like I said, my base, and then my clear coat. And go ahead and get started. Okay, here's my respirator. It is recommended to always use a respirator when you're doing any kind of painting. So here it is right here. It is a large right here. So once I get everything hooked up and ready to apply my base, I'll put on my respirator. Okay, I've already cleaned this area right here, and I got some pretty bad scrapes on this side right here, chip paint on the edges right here. I'm going to use 220 to kind of clean this up a little bit, and then I'm going to try to prime this, if I can do that. Okay, I'm going to spray it down with some water. See if I can get it. Got one more spot right here I need to keep working on. And I can wipe it down. Okay, I'm getting my primer ready. Testing it over in this area to see what it's going to do. Okay, I got my primer. Got an area cleaned up right here. It's already been sandpaper down. So here I am. I'm going to start with the primer first. Okay. That's one coat. I'm gonna let that dry. Okay, I've already applied 3 coats of primer. I'm gonna let it dry, and then after that I'm gonna put on the base. Okay, my primer is dry, so I'm gonna go over it with some 600 grit sandpaper. Okay, I'm going over the edges. Okay, it's ready for the base, and I'm going to apply possibly 3 coats, just depends. Okay, that's the first coat. Okay, I've already put on 2 coats of base right here. I'm not going to put on the 3rd coat. So, but because that's enough right there, it looks pretty good. It's covered up all my scratches. So I'm going to start putting my clear coat on. Okay, I'm going to test it right here. Okay, that's my first coat. Okay, this is the results of my paint job that I did right here. Started out with 220 grit paper and sanded it down. Then I went over with primer. I did like 2 or 3 coats, and then after that, I think I had like 3 coats of base, and then 3 coats of clear coat, and it did come out pretty good. This area right here is on the inside the door, but it's on the inside. It really doesn't make any difference. But other than that, it came out pretty good, good and glossy. It's got a little indentions on the side right here, but it's not no big deal. But that's pretty much how it came out.